How to create MT4 Forex account. Hi everyone, MT4, or MetaTrader 4, is one of the most widely used Forex trading platforms in the world. In this video, I'll show you how to create an MT4 Forex account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from the Forex broker, visit trading68.com/brokername. Or click on the Forex account creation link in the description of this video. Now let's take Exness as an example. You can visit Exness at trading68.com/Exness. For other Forex brokers, simply replace the Forex broker name. Alright, let's get into it. Now you'll see the main interface of the website. Click Register. In the first part, you need to enter your country, region of residence, email address, and password. Note, the password must be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. I'll use the password on the screen as an example. Click Continue to move to the next section. Choose Trading Account. There are two types of accounts, Demo Account and Real Account. I choose Real Account. To deposit money and start trading, Exness requires verification. Click Complete Profile to get started. Verification steps include confirm email address, confirm phone number, and add profile information. Click Get Started now. Exness has sent you an email with a verification code. Please check your email. This is the message Exness has just sent. If you don't see the email from Exness, click More and check the spam folder. Now, I will open Exness's message. This is the verification code Exness sent me. I will enter the code here. Click Confirm Phone. Enter your phone number here. Then, click Continue. This is the message Exness has just sent me. I will start entering the code. Next step, add profile information. Click Complete now. Here, you need to provide Exness with profile information. Please fill in your full name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, and residential address. After filling in, click Continue. Here are some quick survey questions from Exness. Don't worry, they're not important and won't affect your trading. After selecting, click Submit. Exness announced, contact details verified. The next step is verifying your identity. Click Verify Identity now. The first is Document Verification. Make sure your name is correct here. If it is wrong, click here to edit. Then, click Upload Documents. This is the Data Use Agreement. If you are a US citizen, click here. If not, click here. Click Continue. You're now at the identity verification step. In the Select the Country, Region section, if you want to change it, click here. Next, you need to select your identity document. Exness offers 4 options: passport, driver's license, ID card, and residence permit. I choose ID card. Here are some requirements when you upload photos. If you want to upload your documents using your phone, click here. First, I will upload a photo of the front side of the document by clicking here. Similarly, I will upload a photo of the back side of the document. After uploading photos of both sides of the document, click Submit Documents. Your documents are under review. This process usually takes from 3 to 7 minutes but might last up to 24 hours in special cases. At this time, you can make transactions, deposits and withdrawals under $2,000 US. However, if you want to deposit more than $2,000 US, you will need to provide documents verifying your residential address. To verify your residential address, just click Learn More and follow the instructions. Click My Accounts. In My Account section, this is where you manage your trading accounts. Exness offers 2 main types of accounts: real accounts and demo accounts. This is a demo account that Exness created for users. This is a real account that Exness created for users. To open an MT4 account, click Open Account. There are many types of accounts here, but I will choose Standard Account as the most basic and popular account type. Click Continue. In this part, you need to enter currency, nickname, max leverage, platform, and create a trading password. Note, the password must be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. I'll use the password on the screen as an example. Click Create Account. Trading account has been successfully created. This is the MT4 account I just created. To be able to log into your newly created MT4 account into the trading platform, you need to know some information such as the server, login account number and account password. To find account information, click here. Click Account Information. This is the account information table. You can find the server and login account number here. The password to log into your account is the password you has just created. Now, you can log into your account and start making transactions. You can refer to the video tutorial, how to install and log into MT4, which I have given in the description of this video. I have completed instructions for creating an MT4 Forex account. Wishing you success in your investment journey.